Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I am wearing my 4ForYou Glen Coco, You Go Glen Coco t-shirt today because I'm trying to be in the Christmas spirit, but it's in the 50s and it's a little warm for some of my Christmas sweaters. Anyway, hello, welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. I do a lot of unboxings on this channel. I also do a lot of hauls, beauty reviews, and perfume related videos. So if you have not already subscribed, if that sounds interesting, please do consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. Today we have two of my Macy's boxes and I'm a little behind on getting everything out, so I decided to combine them. You always do get a little card and it tells you all of the items in the bag and then what they all look like. You also usually get a coupon, and this one is $5 off. You can use them once in store and once online. I've done that a lot in the past, so that is always a nice thing. This box, let's see, what is this month? This is the November box. I had to think about it for a second. So let's look at the bag first, because this is not how they usually come. They used to come and they'd be inside the bag, but not right now. So this is kind of like a reusable, it looks like it's very tie-dyed. It's kind of odd for November, but I know that they were behind on getting things out, so maybe that's the reason why. They were just, because they shut down April through, I guess, September, October is when they finally released. And then I got one of these, oops, we had to substitute one of your samples in your box. So we'll see which one that is. All of the products seem to be wrapped up in this little guy. And I do always love the pink wrapping, or the pink tissue paper. Now I'm rethinking which bag this is. One's November, one's December. So we'll talk about the two fragrances first. So we have Jean Paul Gaultier La Mel. This is like the EDT, and this retails for $94 usually, and they're trying to advertise the limited edition bottle, which is like with the rainbow on it. All of his bottles look like torsos. He has a line of feminine fragrances as well that also look like a torso. So that's the first one. I will be passing that along because I don't have a man in my life that would wear perfume or cologne, I guess. Then we have Angel. This is the Angel Eau Corsair 2020. They've done it, two of them. The one that they did in 2019 is so good. I love it. It has like mango and grapefruit in it. This one is more of a fig type scent. This retails for $84. And if you're watching this on Sunday when I put this up, it is part of the one-day sale that they were doing for like 3 days. So you might look and see if it's still on sale at Macys.com. All right, we'll pull out this one next. So I got one of these last year also, and this is the Jockey True Fit Promise Fits and Flatters dress sizes 4 to 14, and it's a hipster. It's supposed to be small, medium, and large. This retails for $11.50 or 3 for $30. I'm not actually gonna open this because the other pair still has the tags on them, and they've just gathered dust this year because I don't like this snaggy material. My hands are so dry right now that I'm even snagging this. So that is going to be passed along too. I already have the Angel Corsair, Eau Corsair fragrance, so that's being passed along too. So far, not too hot. Then we have from SK2, this is the Facial Treatment Essence. This stuff is like super expensive. Oh, this was supposed to be the Power Radical New Age Cream, which I just got in my Macy's advent calendar. So go check that out on my Instagram. I'll have a link down below. So they substituted this. They're both really expensive. The cream is $235. I think this is like $190. So at least it's a comparable substitution, although I would use the cream much more quickly than I would the essence. I'm terrible about getting around to using essences. That sounds weird. All right, then they're kind of fallen in my lap. This is a tan towel. I don't use tan towels, but my mom's best friend always does. So these retail for $24, and it's supposed to cover your arms and your legs. So I don't know. It seems weird to get one in November or December, like really, but whatever. Then we have the, I seem to be missing, there's supposed to be an eyeliner in here, and I don't see an eyeliner. Looking at it, I'm actually missing a second item, the Anthony No Sweat Body Defense. So I'm missing that cream as well as the eyeliner. Sad about them not having an eyeliner in there. It's just a little irritating. So this is PYT Beauty. It's a plumping gloss. I'm probably going to pass this along too. This retails for $15 for the full size. I just don't use a lot of glosses. I don't use a lot of plumping products, so it's not really something that I would be excited to use. I should also say this is normally a $15 a month box, so it's comparable to Ipsy in its price range. And then the final thing in here is the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. This retails for $29. I've used this in the past. It's fine. It's just a setting powder. I don't know. It's a fine setting powder. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's just kind of meh to me. Actually, I like that. Wasn't the last thing. And yeah, there's nothing else down in the cushions. This is from Strivectin. This was thrown in. I can't believe that they would say that this is a substitution for an eyeliner, because I'm sure the eyeliner was full size and it was 3 in a, and it was supposed to retail for $14.50. This isn't on the list at all. I might try to message Macy's, but their customer service it sucks. It's really terrible. And when you contact them, they have no idea what's going on with the Macy's Beauty Box whatsoever. So it's basically worthless to try to, like, it's just a waste of time. Anyway, this is Strivectin. It's a skin reset 4-week intensive rejuvenation system. So, but there's 4 items in here. This is a 4-day tryout. So rebuild, boost, balance, and restore. Well, I'm disappointed in this Macy's box. I don't think this was worth the $15. Yes, you got the SK2, but they had so many substitutions, and I get like the pandemic and all of that going on, but man, like this is not great. I'm keeping 2 of the things. Well, maybe technically 3, because I'm keeping the Strivectin set, because what am I going to do? Give that to somebody? All right, let's look at this one. I think this is the December one. Yeah, this is December. So this one has a $10 coupon, which is awesome. And this, we'll see if it's better. So you got this little set. There's a pump bottle, there's a spray bottle, there's just like a regular bottle, and 2 little jars down here. And they're in a little plastic thing. They're just plastic, so you can refill them. I don't know if I'll keep that. That might be something, I don't know. It's not really something that I feel like I need, and I have some ones that I never use already. So do I really want more? All right, and I also got one of those oops in this one too. So let's see what they substituted this time. First up is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask. This is an okay mask. This isn't my favorite mask. I'm not going to keep it because I have so many of these, and I have so many masks that I'd rather use a mask that I actually like. This retails for $55 for the full size. I know a lot of people really like this. I just don't really need a hydration mask, so I don't reach for that one. All right, then we have from Kiehl's, this is the Calendula Petal Infused Calming Mask. Okay, that's different. This retails for $45. I don't think I've tried this one. It doesn't really have, like, it's a scent, but it's so faint that I can't really place it. But Kiehl's is an okay brand. I find it really hit and miss. Like, people really love it, and I just find them okay. I haven't found anything that I've absolutely loved from the brand, but I would love to actually find something eventually. That would be awesome. Then we have from Shiseido, this is the Essential Energy Moisturizing Gel Cream. I'm really excited about this one actually because this is something I've had in the past and I've really liked it. This is a great moisturizer. I like lightweight gel moisturizers for the daytime. I am oily, so that helps, you know, that's part of the reason why I do. As you can see, it's pretty lightweight. It has that Shiseido smell, so if you don't like scented skincare, you won't like Shiseido, but I think it just smells really luxe and yummy. I like it. The retail price for that, the full size, is $48. Then we have a I think it's a liquid lipstick, yeah, from Grande Lips. This retail, oh, this is what they substituted. It was supposed to be a Stay Put Invisible lip liner, which would have been a full size. I do have one of those already, so I'm okay with not getting it. This is a metallic red, and this is a plumping liquid lipstick, so it's going to burn for a little while. This is kind of, oh, this is a darker color than I was thinking. That's what it looks like. It's called Sparkling Sangria, and it is metallic. It does have a little bit of a shift to it. We'll let it dry as I finish talking about the other things in here. Then we have from Bare Minerals. This is a mineralist lipstick in the shade Honesty, and it's open on the bottom, but it's not gonna actually pull out. This, I feel like this is a shade I already have, but I don't have time to go through and look for all of my at my lipsticks. Oh my gosh, I keep wanting to call it a liquid lipstick, and it's not a liquid lipstick. So there it is. I've put it several times. Oh, I can smell the cayenne on that other one. But you could do it pretty sheer too. So that's just like one swipe versus building it up. That's a really pretty color, something I definitely will use. So this one is a lot more promising. I'm liking the things, and I like that it has a $10 coupon too. So the last two things in here are going to be the perfume samples. So you have the male one. They always include a male fragrance. This is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Pour Homme. It's an EDT. It's a very universal, everybody kind of likes this scent. It's a citrusy type scent, so it's nice, but I don't need it. I have no use for it. And then Viva La Juicy La Bubbly. It's a darling bottle. I really like it. I got it one. It's actually, my mom just bought it for me. It's interesting because one, my bottle was broken and some of these jewels were not on it, so I had to try to figure out how to get them reattached, which was kind of annoying. But I don't really smell a much difference between this and the original Viva La Juicy, so I don't think this is something that you really need to run out. If you've run out of your original Viva La Juicy and you want a replacement, then go for that one, but it was just an okay fragrance. You're gonna see like a haul and talking about it in the new year because, yeah. All right, so November was disappointing. December, I think, was better. More things that I will actually use. That's what the lipstick dried down to. It feels pretty dry right now. So, yeah, a lot of things that I'm going to be putting along in that next declutter pile. I'm still working on my declutters. I'm very behind on everything and trying to get things listed, and I don't know where I'm going to be, so I don't want to list a whole bunch of things. So that will be still coming. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please do let me know your thoughts and opinions on this subscription. Do you think it was worth it? Do you think they're just kind of having a stumbling because of this year and having to shut down production for a while? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.